Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making a backup and locating the cells to change. Select the range or column now. This is essential because all edits will apply there. Once selected, determine whether you need a static replacement, a formula-based update, or a pattern change. Make sure to note any dependent formulas. Use go to Ctrl+G or filters to isolate visible cells when necessary. This focus start prevents accidental overwrites and sets you up for the next steps quickly and safely. Now apply the change method that matches your plan. If replacing specific text or numbers, open Find and Replace, set match entire cell or case as needed, then replace all. For pattern transformations, use a helper column with a formula, then fill down and paste values. Flash fill can infer patterns without formulas. For bulk numeric operations, copy a cell, use paste special multiply/add, or run a short VBA macro for complex rules. Once done, validate results on a sample before finalizing. Finish by validating and locking in the edits. You should verify a few totals and dependent formulas to confirm no unintended shifts occurred. Once satisfied, remove helper columns and save. If something looks wrong, immediately use undo or restore the backup copy and identify where the method failed. If replacement skipped cells, check filters or visible-only settings. Use trace-dependent/precedence and error checking to find broken links. One key tip: test changes on a small sample first to avoid large-scale mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.